Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a quick Tuesday morning haul. I was going into Tuesday morning hoping to find some of those tonic dyes that I have been seeing everybody haul. Did not see one tonic dye. I saw a couple Spellbinders dyes, but wasn't really interested in them. So this is what I did pick up, so I want to jump on and show you what I did find. I was able to find this photo play paper, and it was only $5.99, and I absolutely love photo play paper. It's excellent quality, and Hobby Lobby generally sells this brand, and I like picking it up when they have it. But I particularly loved this little paper pack, and I'll do a quick little flip through for you. It's double-sided, and I love this page right here. It says, be jolly, from Santa, be merry, cheers. It has a bunch of words, and there's like polka dots on the back. And then there's plaid, and it is called Mad Plaid, in case you're wondering, but it has this really cute little banner page, and then again, the plaid on this side. And then there's that plaid right there with the greens, and then some ornaments. And then there's two of each, of course. And then you've got this page right here. It's a cut apart, super cute. The December checklist, you could put that in a December daily. And I love the little border down here. I thought that was really cute as well. And then you got that green plaid on the back. And then you have this sheet right here with the reindeer, which I absolutely love. And then the back of that has the brown plaid. And then there is, let's see, this one right here has the presents on the back of it. And then you get this set right here with the ornaments, really cute. And then this plaid right here. I really got it because I like the plaid. So that's why I picked up this particular paper pad. And then of course it does come with a sticker sheet, and it looks like this. And I hope you guys can see that, but it has all these different stickers. They're super cute, little coffee, hot cocoa mugs, and the stockings, and little borders and little words. So super cute. I couldn't pass it up. And I just love plaid, and I like this little holiday theme, so that's why I picked this up. So fun photo play paper set. I cannot talk today, you guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, moving along. I was finally able to pick up the mini punch board. Never picked it up. Finally, it's arrived at my Tuesday morning, so I was really excited to get the mini punch board. It was $6.99, and super excited to play with this. I do have a few little small envelope dies, but I was wanting this. It was on my wish list, and so yay, I finally get to play with it. I'm a little late to the party, but that is okay. I will cut some out and play with it and share for sure. And then I was also able to find this felt sheet pack. It's a 10 count. It was only $2.99, and it's 8.5 by 11, and you get all of these colors of felt. And I really liked the fact that it was 8.5 by 11. So they're really, you know, big sheets of felt, and they're actually sturdy sheets of felt. And so I am looking forward to making some projects out of felt. I did pick up a felt stack, a couple of felt stacks from Target's craft section in the small 6x6 squares, and I actually really do like those, and those are actually another good sturdy type of felt, in case you're wondering. But I was happy to find this. It was only $3 versus the pack at Target, I think, is like $6 or something like that. But you get more colors, so it's probably worth it. And then I'm so excited. I have been overdue to get a new scoreboard, and I saw this scoreboard, and it is the We Are Memory Keepers scoreboard. But what I love most about this, and I do apologize for that glare, I'm going to try to keep it at an angle so that it's not blinding you, is that it has all of the measurements down the side of the scoreboard, which is extremely helpful. And so I am really excited to have a new clean scoreboard without anything. I'm going to try to keep this one clean. The one that I've had it for years, and I'm just overdue. And I picked it up for $12.99, And I just love the fact that it already has all the measurements on the board, so I don't really have to guess. Even though I'm pretty good with figuring out the measurements, it's just nice to have it written on there so you don't have to second guess yourself. You know what I mean? So anyway, excited about this find right here. That is it. Hopefully my store will get some of those tonic dyes in. That's what I was looking for. But anyway, thanks for stopping by my channel. Have a great weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.